In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for collaboration with other people. If you've ever wanted to work on notes, plans, or projects with teammates in real time, Notion makes it straightforward. We'll keep this simple and stick to the essentials so you can get up and running quickly. Start by opening the Notion page you want to collaborate on, then look to the top right and click Share. This opens Notion's sharing panel, which is where all collaboration happens. Think of it as the control center for who can see your page and what they're allowed to do on it. Next, copy the link that Notion provides. This is the link you'll send to the people you want to collaborate with. Share it through your usual channel, email, chat, or your team's messaging app. It helps to include a short note when you share the link so people know what the page is for and what kind of input you're looking for. That little bit of context saves everyone time and ensures they jump in with the right expectations. Before you send that link, or right after, make sure you change the access settings in the same Share panel. This is important because access determines what collaborators can do. If you only want people to look at the page, set the link to View Only. If you want feedback but don't want the content changed, choose Comment Access. And if you want true collaboration, where others can add, edit, and reorganize content, set it to Edit. Pick the option that matches your goal for this page. Take a moment to double-check the current setting before sending the link. It's easy to assume the default is fine, but small adjustments here prevent accidental edits or, conversely, confusion when someone can't interact with the page the way you expect. If your page includes sensitive information, consider limiting access to only the people who absolutely need it. When the active collaboration period is over, you can return to the Share panel and reduce permissions or disable link access, keeping your workspace tidy and secure. That's the entire process. Click Share at the top right, copy the link, and share it with the people you want to collaborate with, then adjust the access settings so everyone has the right level of control. And there you go. Simple, effective collaboration in Notion without the hassle. That's all.